Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're going to take a look at the MXL 770 condenser microphone, which is the microphone I'm using right now to record this video. I've been using this microphone for a while now, and I think I can say that I'm pretty pleased with its sound quality. But now let's get into the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you can see that it comes in a nice protective carrying case. The case has a nice black protective foam inside to protect your mic from any fall damage. The microphone itself comes bundled with the shock mount and of course some manuals and warranty papers. Now, let's open up the case. As you can probably tell, the mic and the shock mount in this box are nicely packaged. This is a nice black metal shock mount with little to no remarks. The only minor is the hinge. The hinge sometimes loosens. It also comes with some extra rubber bands and an adapter for your mic stand. Of course, the microphone is a 48V Phantom XLR input, so you'll probably want to get a proper audio interface in combination with this mic. The frequency response of this microphone is between 30Hz and 20kHz, and on the back of the microphone you can see the bass roll and the -10 decibel switches. Overall, I'm pretty pleased with this microphone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.